guys, welcome back. So today's video is a little bit different. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video for nail plug. This is their large mystery box, and also she did include some extra goodies because she wanted me to try them out for you guys. So yeah, I'm really excited because I just love this kind of thing. I also want to mention that I do have a discount code for them. The discount code is Andrea15. So yeah, if you would like to check them out, you guys have a discount code. So this is how it came. I haven't actually seen what's in there, so I'm really excited. I've been waiting all day. So here are the little cards that it comes with. It says thank you for placing an order. I did purchase the box, but she told me that she was gonna include some extra goodies so that I could try out. So this is their Instagram, nail plug. I will have it linked in the description along with their website, so you guys could go check them out. The large mystery box was $30. And yeah, look how cute this is. So this is the first thing that I see. It's this cute little container thingy with some fruit slices, some little hearts, and some glitter. So pretty. These are gonna be perfect for Valentine's Day. Wow, so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this bag out. Look how cute this bag is. So oh, this is not released yet. She did say she was gonna send me some things that she hasn't released yet, so this is really cool. I'm gonna be swatching them at the end of the video. Oh, that is really pretty. So pretty. This is another. This one is called Serena. You guys. Oh my god. This is so pretty. And then this one is called Rapunzel. You guys. Okay, these glitters are so freaking pretty. Okay, so it comes with here's a little finger. I actually never have owned one of these. I don't even know why I haven't, but this is pretty cool. And then, ooh, some little, oh, these are kind of, oh, these are charms. Yes, I've seen on Instagram a lot of people like they do the little charms on the nails. I've never done it. So there's like little hoops, different sizes, and then these cute little butterflies. How cute. Wow, I'm so excited. There's some little stars in here, but it fell out of the container. I'm gonna put that in there later. All right, so there's still quite a bit of things left. So this is some foil. This is some Louis Vuitton foil. I've seen this kind of foil a lot recently, but they usually sell it in a box with like 10 other ones. So this is pretty cool that she sells them individually. So yeah, this is nice. So she also included some striping tape. I can't take, should I take it out? Nah, it's just some silver striping tape. And there's some more foil. This one's a red one. I'm sorry if the lighting is bad and everything is bad. I'm just not used to filming these kind of videos, so yeah. Ooh, a wax pen. This is pretty nice. It's a nice cute little wax pen to pick up your rhinestones and stuff. Ooh, nail tips. I actually have some of these. These are, I think they're extra long nail tips. They're like super duper long. I'll show you guys. Whoa, these are so freaking long. I don't think mine are this long actually. So it also came with some cute little butterflies in 12 different colors. They're super cute. More foil. Oh my god, I'm so excited for these. She told me she was gonna send me some. These are little gummy bear charms. They are so cute. So it also came with 2 files. I'm not sure of the grits, but I feel like it's 80 maybe. 80? I think it's 80. I'm not sure. These are some wipes. Yeah, some little lint-free wipes. It also came with some cuticle nippers. I actually needed a new one, so I'm pretty excited about this. And it also comes with a cuticle pusher and this little scraper thingy you could use after like you soak off your acrylic. You can just scrape it off with this. That's what I use it for. And then it also came with some nail stickers. These are super cute. These are some colorful LV stickers. Here's some other stickers. It has Fendi, Prada, Supreme, Hermes. Is that how you say it? Hermes? I don't know. Some red Louis Vuitton and Supreme stickers. Some holographic Chanel stickers. They're so cute. I love anything hollow. Ooh, these are really cute. Some cute little hollow moon and stars and like planets, stuff like that. These are really cute. So I'm gonna be using the Mia Secret monomer to swatch these. Ooh, look how pretty. She sent me some other ones like a week ago, I think, and I swatched them on my Instagram, so if you guys follow me on there, you might have seen them. If you don't follow me on there, you guys should follow me. I post nail pictures, and once in a while I'll post stuff on my story, but yeah. Alright, I'm using the Mia Secret monomer, and this is my Mia Secret brush. Whoa! Mia Secret brush in a size 10. I'm gonna swatch the not released one first. The next one is called Rapunzel. last one is called Serena. So yeah, this is everything that came in the box. Again, I got a size large plus some extra little goodies that she sent me. She offers, I think, small all the way to extra large, and I think the small is $10. I'm not sure how many items that comes with. I definitely recommend you guys to go check out Pluggg. Again, I do have a discount code for them. It is Andrea15. You save 15% off your entire purchase on their website. And if you guys are interested, make sure to go check out their website. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.